Hello everyone, I am Rabia Tehseen, currently studying my third BTech in Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimbaram, of course, Computer Science and Engineering. Today, if we are going to know about the sports scheduler, one of the project given in my college. If you ever had to schedule a sports league, it's a logistical nightmare. You are juggling dozens of team, venue availability, balanced home and away games, minimizing travel time, and those inevitable last minute changes. It's a mess. That's why the project comes in called Sports Scheduler. This isn't just a simple calendar tool. It's an advanced optimization engine designed to optimally generate the fairest and most optimal schedule possible for any league. Now let us come to this. Initially, you have to sign up with your own name, email, and password. After confirming the password, you can select the account type. There are two major accounts, player and administrator. You can select the account type and sign up. As of now, I am signing in because I already have an account. Initially, I am signing in with the account of a player. Let us see. These are available sessions because as I have already joined. Let us see, this is the available session for right now. You can create a section by clicking it here. You can select the type of the sport and add the venue and add the date as per today's calendar, and you can also add the time you wanted to play, schedule the sport, and the team members per team, and then additional pairs if need any. You can also give a description about the session, and you can create a session. After create a session, if you join the session, then the session will be active, and you can see the active session in the joined sessions. After coming, if we sign out, and then if I again log in with my administrator ID, you can see this is the admin dashboard where you can see the active sessions of different sports, and you can also directly add the sport name. For example, let us take let us take as everything is already there, let me give it as badminton, or let me just give as shuttle. If I add the sport here and sign out, again log in with my ID, and here while creating a session you can see the sport I have added called shuttle. Where I'm explaining that I'm trying to explain that there is a possibility of administrator can directly add the sport type, new type of sport in his leaderboard, and can monitor the active sessions. And if we have completed this, while we getting into this, uh, the app is basically one second. Basically, the app is a classic full static solution splitting the work into two distinct parts. A front end built use React.js. This is what user sees. If where you can input all your data, the list of teams, their home cities, the playing field, blackout dates, and additional if there are any additional player needed, the time and the description. Backend, this is powered by Python and Django framework, handles the web logic, manages the database, storing all the team and games data, and most critically awaits for the user to hit the generate schedule button. Once you do it, it triggers the real-time magic, the optimization engine. Programming, the core of this entire project is the optimization engine, which uses advanced mathematical technical called linear programming. This is the code that turns a mess of rules into a perfect schedule. uh, defining the problem mathematically, we say that the code translates every rule into an equation. A team A cannot play the team B in the first week becomes a constraint, and then math must not violate. There are several features we will be discussing, and the Python backend uses LP library, pulp or tools as its calculator. This solves efficiently and explores millions of possible schedules and pinpoints the one that are perfectly satisfies all the rules while meeting the optimization goal. And as for the code structure, the front end folder contains all the React components. The front-end folder contains all the React components and state management API calls to the backend, whereas for the backend the folder is the Python modules live. Look for the file that defines the LP problem. That's heart of the logic. It defines the variables, the constraints, and the objective function. To deploy it, you'll simply run the code, and you can see it to be running in the Google Web. Uh, so the sports scheduler project is a fantastic example of data science and advanced math to solve real world operation problem. If you are into optimization, React or Python, it is must check out repo. And hit a like. After these, let us also discuss about the uh, blueprint for a social sports app, like where the points which we cannot miss, like if you take this code of session player, which is a digital attendance sheet connecting players to games. Its role is to connect table managing to many relationship between users and sessions. Keys requires a valid session ID, user ID to link one player to another. The status, it is also an important field, tracks the player's commitment, recording if they join or cancel the game. And after the social event based scheduler, we also has all of these codes written for the backend. As you can see, the server.js and the package.js. And while coming to front end, the index HTML and Tailwind, Postman CSS, package.json, all these are also written. Uh, the core architectural spirit, the single most important concept is that my project uses two different technology stacks to solve two different problems. You must observe. And sports scheduler folder here. hmm, the session dot player. These are all likely to be the codes that are written to be implemented for the project of sports scheduler, as you have already seen. um, I hope this is it. Okay, this I couldn't see the file before. Okay, this all this session dot player, the index.js, the sports.js, the middleware I have used to that was required to for this project. All these are the codes that are written for the implementation of this. That is it for the video. I would like to conclude this by thanking you all for watching my video. Thank you.